In this lesson, we are going to know the various meaning of each card, how we are going to interpret the card. We will be discussing in this lesson from Fool to High Priestess. There can be various meaning of each card. It depends on the surrounding cards and it depends on the reader. Few of the meaning we will be discussing here. The more you will connect with your cards, the more meaning and more understanding you will develop slowly. So we will start with the Fool card. The Fool, the 0 number card. Here we are going to discuss first the symbology. Briefly we are going to discuss. So what we can see here, a young man stands on the edge of a cliff, gazing up at the open sky. He may fall from the cliff, but he is carefree and unaware of unknown. He is having a sack, a packed bundle which we can see, which contains whatever the basic resources he requires during his journey. He is holding a white flower which represents here the purity and innocence of the soul. Animal which is standing next to him, white animal which looks like a dog, which represents here its intuition and loyalty. The mountains which we can see on the cards, they are the challenges which are yet to come and the fool is not at all aware of. The cloudless sky, the radiant shining sun here we can see, which gives the positivity of the situation completely, the surroundings which is talking about a positive surrounding. So the Fool card shows a sign of great possibilities to come, but the journey is going to be quite adventurous, quite tough, with lot of ups and downs, and the Fool has to be ready for that. What we observe here, this figure focus on the distance as it is knowing what is happening or what is going to happen, or it is not at all bother what is going to happen and very confident. As we know, all cards are having positive and negative meaning as well. First we will discuss the positive meaning of the card and then we will go on the negative meaning. Some of the negative meanings I have discussed here. It can be more, it depends on your experience. The more you will connect with the card, you will come up with the new meanings also. So there is no limitation. So few of the positive meanings I had discussed here. When this Fool card comes in a reading, we can say it is talking about new beginning, or it is a good time to go for a greater risk if you wanted to achieve something big. Again, it talks about you have to ignore others and take leap of faith and go ahead. So when the Fool card comes in a reading, it is a sign of something wonderful is about to begin, but only you have to decide whether to look before you leap or to go blindly forward. On the other side, it is a kind of caution while coming into the reading. It is a warning to pay attention and says don't behave like a fool. In the picture you can see the Fool is very close to the cliff. The animal next to him, which is a symbol of its intuition, is trying to warn him of what lays ahead, but the Fool is not at all listening to its intuition. So there could be complete disregard with your surroundings when it comes to the reading and when we are talking about the negative meaning of the card. Here the Fool is in a free fall and having lost its awareness of his surroundings. He is not listening to its intuition at all and doesn't understand the dangers of the opportunities presented to him. The next card of the deck, the Magician card. Here in the image we can see the person looks like a magician and weaving mystical spells by using its available 5 elements. He knows about the infinite possibilities and resources that can be used and transformed. This card shows you can do anything with the help of available resources while using your creativity and intellect fully. The magician raises up its right hand having a wand towards the sky. It is a sign of bringing heaven down to earth and our dreams and wishes into fruition. It also shows the connection between the human and the spirit realm and can channel from both to succeed in your work. Infinite symbol above the magician's head and the snake biting its tail around the waist shows the possibilities, but you need to understand that you are going to be held accountable for your actions. So when this card comes in a reading, probably there is already a strategy for overcoming some obstacles in your life brewing inside, and with the help of knowledge and creative approach, this can be corrected. Magician is having some innate abilities, its inward attitude sometimes, and negating the power of possibilities, which may lead sometimes feeling of helplessness or powerlessness in specific situation. The magician is trickster, cunning, unbalanced by the flipped connection to the universe, as we can see. If this card comes in a career and finance reading, it talks about improvement in work finances by using your creativity. It shows promotion, extra cash flow, other benefits if you are aiming your goal wisely, or else your ego and overconfidence will take you away and you will lose all. If this card shows in a relationship reading, it shows good person with good intention. Sometimes it talks about new beginning of the relationship. Also the magician is trickster, so at times it shows extramarital affair or more than one relationship also in a relationship reading. Sometimes card meaning depends on the surrounding card also, that also we need to see while interpreting the meaning. The High Priestess, second numbered card of the major arcana. She is the second person the fool meets on his journey. Look into the picture. The High Priestess looks like as if she knows what is happening before anything truly begins. She is gazing straight forward very confidently while sitting before a veil. We can see here she is holding a secret knowledge in her hands. You can see a scroll. The High Priestess energy represents unconscious wisdom that needs to be unblocked through our conscious action. The two pillars which we can see in the card, which represents darker and the lighter side, or masculine and the feminine energy. Here we can see the images of pomegranates on the veil, which represents fertility. It shows our duty and our hope also. The solar cross on her chest shows balance between masculine and feminine energy. When this card shows in a reading, it shows you need to listen to your intuition, go inward and understand yourself, which you have stopped recently. Also it shows solving mysteries, something hidden, or grow into a person you are meant to be in this lifetime. This card actually indicates pause and contemplate your next step. You need to be careful. This card shows your spiritual journey also. If you are not a spiritual person, then it is advising you to become a spiritual, be a spiritual seeker, and please continue your journey. Sometimes in a reading, this card represents a female energy, generally in a negative manner. A secretive lady. It also shows blocks on your subconscious level or your intuition. Sometimes it shows emotional disbalance also, so meditation and relaxation is advised. Sometimes when this card comes in a reading, it shows either you would be a high priestess or you need a high priestess in your life. The various meaning, again as I said, it depends on the surrounding cards and it depends on your intuition, what you are getting at the time of reading.